Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you the sunglasses that I bought online from Amazon. I love these sunglasses. I think it's cute. For me, it's really cute sunglasses. So it comes with this one. By the way, the cost of these sunglasses that I bought online is $29.98, something like that. Almost $30, but not too bad at all. So it comes with this very cute pouch, and also they put the name of the brand of sunglasses. And on the back, same like this one, it comes with a tie that you can tie it up, I guess, like that. And here's the sunglasses, super cute. That's what look like the sunglasses. Comes with those again sticker. They attach the sticker on the glass. Look like that, super cute. I love the style of the sunglasses. It's like a square sunglasses, and what I like about this is really cute. I like this kind. I don't know how do you call it, but super cute. Both side, they have both side cute round gold design, both side of the sunglasses. Super cute. Very cute. I love these sunglasses. I think for me it's really cute style of sunglasses. Let's try it on, and it's look like that. Ooh, it's so cute. I love the shape. Square. Super cute. Super cute design. There you go. It's super cute. I love I do love the design here. The gold round design. And yeah, it's super cute sunglasses. It's what look like the color, guys. You can see the details of the color. Super cute sunglasses. Really cute sunglasses. I love it. It's not too bad for $29, like almost $30. Not bad at all for really cute sunglasses. There you go. Super cute sunglasses. I think it's super cute. I love it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!